Joel here at Mike's Off-Road. Today we have a 2006 Chevy Silverado in the shop. For some steering upgrades, these are all Kryptonite inner and outer tie rod ends, center section, steering support with a red head steer gear, as well as their sway bar end links that are all beefed up. These are the best steering components on the market today, in my opinion. They have no questions asked warranty. No matter what you do with your truck, they cover it. Racing, off-road, lower your truck, anything you want to do, these guys will cover the warranty. The other thing we did to this truck is we did a much larger fuel capacity Titan fuel tank. It'll be all ready for the road. It gives you much more range. It's about double the size of the stock capacity. And then we're not quite done with this truck. We have a couple more things to put on. The other thing this truck is getting is front and rear fusion bumpers. It's going to be all ready for the road after all these upgrades. If you're looking for any bumpers, suspension upgrades, any kind of accessories, come check us out down here at Mike's Off-Road.